Is it a fucking cave?
I know, right? That's what I was wondering.
No wonder they don't got fucking sponsoring. Side of the old water cooling shed. No, this isn't the cave.
No?
No. Gotta go up more.
I don't know, but we're kind of scared because there's like a water bottle. Like, I think they got stolen.
It's the same kind we have too. It was the Lost Boys, I tell you. They're gonna pop up out of nowhere.
It was us in the future, and then we came back to the past, and now we ran into us again. What the fuck am I smoking, huh?
Are you saying that we cut over last one?
Say hi, Sue.
Hey. Yeah, we're gonna find one of those here.
I'm gonna put epic ass soundtrack behind this.
Yeah?
Yeah. Babe, hold my hand, I'm scared. Snake might pop out.
See, Sue? You see what I did?
I'm just kidding,
I
guys.
have a person boot.
Should've wore boots though. Feel like I'm in a rainforest. Huh.
Well, do you get
left drop?
we got service, right?
I have a knife. God, why are you guys laughing? Not the size that matters, how you use it. And then there's a waterfall this way. It's a restroom, dude.
There's a restroom, guys?
I need to go pee. It's not nature-y, that's creepy.
Should we go back that way?
Yeah.
Yep. That way's a waterfall.
Oh.
Which way, Captain? Damn, that shit's fucking huge. Damn.
We never took our selfie last night. I totally forgot.
Great. Damn, that's amazing, guys. Fucking dope. $5K run will change your life. Look what it says. What it says?
Yeah.
Ow, I got stung. Why are you running? Fucking losers. Guys having fun running? You guys having fun?
Yes.
I can only see your freaking bright ass jacket and bright ass red running through the trees. Idiots. Which way, Captain? That way or this way?
I had the water coming from that way.
This way? Yeah.
Yeah, after you left me, huh?
No, I don't want to lose you.
Yeah, fucking liar. Get the hell out of here. Where the fuck are we going?
You see like a house up there.
Yeah. Can we go back the other way?
Yeah, go to the other
Let's go for a swim.
I don't know. There's frogs.
Babe, let's go dive in.
We'll get a water.
Skinny dipping.
That is alligator.
We're in Louisiana. Bayou. There's chimneys. Woo!
I'm just gonna say like there's stuff in the hole.
Chimneys. Woo! Woo woo! You know what'd be cool if we brought wood? Well, there's wood. Make a fire and just make a bonfire at night. That'd be sick. Look at that tree moving. This is sick. That's steel. It looks like steel, but it's not. I wouldn't touch it. But. It's a good ass built chimney in the middle of nowhere. Were these houses or what were they?
I'm saying they had one point.
But like, that's only like this big. Like the chimney was bigger than anything. Yeah. Maybe it was like a mansion? Pretty sick.
Yeah, that's what I was water.
Water source for cabins. Ow!
What the heck did you just do?
Cake Springs Lake as it once looked. That's the lake that we seen. That was the bog. Now it's a fucking.
That's why it's like dot
So
dot
bayou.
dot as it once looked.
And then Jim and Betty Powell. I don't know who they are. It looks like a cult,
Looks like that house.
like the cult owners. Where aliens landed once. This is the crop circle they made, and they landed there. Other than that, that's about it. Old reliable
There's a
push
hornet's,
pin board.
I mean a wasp's nest right there.
Oh shit, and I fucking clicked on it. Alright, let's go.